So if we look at low, it says 0.3 meters. This is how much flooding within the low scenario they expect to happen over a 100-year period, 0.3 meters. In the extreme map on the bottom right, they're saying 2.5 meters over a 100-year period of time. So that's roughly 2.5 millimeters per year is how you would account for that. And you take the current sea level and you add these heights on top of it on an annual basis, and you understand what locations within the United States would be flooded as a result of that. So these are predictions that are actually provided by NOAA. And at each one of these locations throughout the United States, you can click on a particular place and understand exactly what's going to happen. So within each of these different scenarios, within the calendar year of 2021 at Windmill Point, Virginia, we can see that there are 8 flooding days expected to occur and 45 extreme, and then varying degrees in between there. This flooding is going to happen regardless of storm events. This is flooding that's happening based upon the high tide cycle and the lunar cycle, or the moon. So, think of when there's a full moon or when there's a new moon, we have higher than high normal tides. And then when those coincide with a high tide cycle, that's when these type of flooding events occur. And these are also called sunny day flooding. So you might see streets flooding in these areas when you don't have any precipitation, it's not cloudy, it's sunny out, and it is a phenomenon, and it's a phenomena that's expected to increase as sea level rise increases. So this is important for us to cope with as communities, and then to understand these increases over time. So at this same location, taking a look at the intermediate scenario, walking forward in time to the year 2031, so just 10 years from now, we can see that middle of the road intermediate scenario goes up to 38 days of flooding that they expect here.